How to add a OneDrive account to File Explorer. Need to add a second OneDrive account to your File Explorer, whether for work or personal use. You can easily manage both in one place. Click the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar. Then select Settings. From the Account tab, click on Add an account. Enter the credentials for your second Microsoft account. You will go through the same setup process as before. Once the setup is complete, File Explorer will display two separate OneDrive folders, one for each account. Now you can switch between work and personal files with ease. OneDrive makes file management effortless. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.